Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft desktop client and connect with your Microsoft Teams or Outlook account, and then just follow these simple steps. And now you will need to do or to start a meeting so I can show you how to mirror your camera. So basically you will need to go to Teams and then start a meeting, or you can just do it in a video chat here. So the most important is to access to the device settings or the camera settings. So basically I'm going just to start a meeting. I'm going to my team. This is the general channel of this team. I'm going to click on meet. So now I'm going to start a meeting. So as you can see here, you will find the devices settings, and basically uh, here down at the bottom we'll find the video settings. So what we need to do now is to search for mirror my video and just click on mirror video, and this way you will have your video that is mirroring. Another thing you need to know is that you can go to the settings and go here to manage account and search for devices, and basically here you will find camera settings, and as you can see you won't find like these additional camera settings like the mirroring. That's why we need to start a meeting so we can see those additional settings. So basically, as I said, all you need is to start a meeting and then go to the device settings here by clicking on this button, and down you will find mirror my video. Basically, when you are going to join your meeting, you will start your camera, and then you will be able to edit your settings here by going to device settings, and of course you can turn on or turn off your mirror video mirroring. So basically, this is the way to mirror your video camera in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.